Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a product category from the WooCommerce shop page. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to head over to your shop and search for WooCommerce product categories. However, in some cases you can find it, you can open in here a new tab and search for that particular plugin. Now you can see this Barn2 plugins right here. Just click on this first link that will appear on the barn2.com. And after you have done that, you can see this protect your WooCommerce category. Click on this buy a plugin right here and then just choose your plugin. It can be a WooCommerce product categories or also the product table or just the protected categories. So just choose which ones you want and then select how many sites you want to use for this. Now you can head over and click on the buy plugin right there, and then once you have bought it, you can head over back to your WooCommerce, and then from in there, just head over right here to your products. Here's your products right here, then head over to the categories. Once you have done that, you should be able to see the categories that you have made previously or just recently. So let's try to hide this hat category. Let's click on this edit option that you can see right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open the category editor of WordPress right here, and then just scroll down. Then once you have installed all of this, you should be able to see in here an option for visibility. Now on the visibility, you can make it hidden or unhidden depending on which one you want for this case. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.